Good evening, guys.
Happy dressing gown. Cold dressing gown.
This is Becca explaining what dressing gowns are good for.
Everything. They're good for everything.
Yes. So welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Holy crap, it
12.
is 13. 12?
It's the 12th.
It's the 12th. Oh, there you go.
You've
That's
lost a
why
day.
I'm confused. I have had the most hectic, busy day.
I thought you died.
Yeah, Beck actually texted me to see if I'd gone missing at lunchtime because I hadn't been able to answer her all day, and we actually have the same lunch break weirdly, even though we're in completely different companies.
In different towns.
Yeah, but by the time it had got like 5 minutes to the end of her lunch, she was like, "Where are you?" But yeah, I'm fine, just busy day. So thought we'd say hello because Becca is currently baking.
Well, no, I should have taken the butter out of the fridge, and now I just have cubes of butter.
Okay, well she's trying to bake. She's mostly failing right now,
But
but she'll get
I do
there.
bake.
Oh. Sisterly affection there, just knocked me out with a cupboard door. Break the kitchen.
I do have these to decorate with.
Oh, they're cute.
That's why I bought the tiny candy canes.
Ah, so yeah, she's making cake. I'm making dinner, which is behind me somewhere. We're having 3 different dinners. Becca and I are having lamb shank and potato gratin. Carl didn't want that, so he's having a chicken wrap. It's whatever. And Chris is having a Greek thing we keep forgetting the name of.
Which we should probably ask him.
We'll get him to explain it in a minute because he's on the phone. But yeah,
Is he?
yes. Or he's talking to himself. But Carl's not in the room. Carl's
Probably
outside.
so.
Yeah.
Or Poppy.
Or Poppy. We have a buddy because he's hoping Becca's going to drop.
I'm not Chris.
Butter.
I'll throw it all over. He did try and eat a cube of butter just then.
Yeah. But yeah, so that is currently where we're at. I haven't managed to even edit yesterday's vlog yet because
Do you
today
know, I should probably
was
just use
so
an actual
busy.
spoon instead of gingerbread man.
But he's cute. So yeah, we will show you the progress on her cake and whatever else nonsense we get up to tonight. However, it's already 7:15 because Mum dropped me home tonight, but that did mean she came in for a tea, which is fine, but it just puts us all back like in the evening. So yeah, currently
I did
just
try
working
and
on
film
dinner.
Christmas markets last night, but Totnes is a very busy Christmas market.
Yes it is. We're hoping to go back next Tuesday, so hopefully we can show you that.
It's just like sardines though, because where it runs up a hill.
And it is a narrow
Yeah,
town.
but it is one of the only towns with a rainbow zebra crossing.
There you go.
I think it might be the only town with a rainbow zebra crossing.
Do what you will with that information.
And it's twinned with Narnia.
Your twin to Narnia.
No, Totnes is genuinely twinned with Narnia.
Yeah, that sounds about right. But yeah, so we'll go back to cooking and baking and we'll catch up with you in a bit.
It is way later than we intended because it's 12:30, but the cake's finally cooled down to decorate. It's done. Have a candy cane snowflake. Because why not? I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired.
Well, I say night, bud.
No, I want to eat cake. What are those ears doing?
Torbay.
You're a good elf.